Today I want to create something really random. So I want to create random list with random length, random number of elements. And I want to create team DC and team Marvels from 3 to 7 heroes. And I have two solutions in dynamic array Excel. So how can we do it? And of course we want unique heroes in each team. First solution use two steps. So first steps is creating random lists, random sort list. How can we do it? With just sort by function, and our array, our list is our heroes in this example from DC, and our by array is rand array function with 21 rows, because we have 21 elements on our list. And just like that we have our list of heroes, but in random order. And when I press F9, Excel calculates once again this list, and we have random numbers. And thanks to rand array, because it's finding numbers from 0 to 1, we will see there won't be any duplicates, because we have 15 digits of precision. It's almost impossible in our example to have some duplicates, and even if we have duplicates, we will be sorting, so it will be random sort list. Okay, so this is first step, and then we have to choose 3 to 7 heroes from this list, and I will use offset function. So from this list b to hash, so our formula, whole formula. And now I don't want to move any rows, any columns, but I want random height, and this time I won't use random array function. I will prefer RANDBETWEEN function, because I just have to write here bottom, the lowest number, and the highest number. So 3 to 7, and just like that we have our random list. It's just the first values from this list, and when I press F9, we can see our list, but sometimes we can see spill error, but we don't have to worry about this error, because the next step we will add text join function, and we want to add comma space delimiter and semicolon, and we don't need second argument, so once again semicolon, and the last parenthesis, so and formula, and enter. And now I combine all heroes, all elements, and when I press F9 I didn't see any spill errors in this case. So we have our first solution. Team DC is completed. Now let's start with team Marvel, and this time we want this to be in one formula, and the solution I found, it will be using index function and this whole list semicolon, and now we want random numbers, and we will be adding random numbers with rand array function. And for now let's set as 7 rows, 7 elements, 1 column, and the minimum number is 1, maximum 21, because we have 21 elements on our list, and the last argument we want integers, so 1 or true. I prefer 1 for is shorter this way. And just like that, F9, I have random list, but this random list have duplicates. Sometimes we'll have duplicates, so we have to add unique function to remove duplicates, but because we are using unique function, our list could be smaller than 3, but it's not very common situation, so we can just press F9 and once again just make random list. And because we have our list now, we should also add the length of our list at random. So in rand array function, the first argument rows, we are changing from 7, so let's add some spaces, and now rand between 3 semicolon 7 and our function and parentheses, number of parentheses, it seems alright. So let's, and our formula, and at the first we have still error, but if I press F9 again, it will be more random list. And just like the team DC, when I add text join function at the start and the same delimiter and the same ignoring second argument of this function, just our list of unique values, and enter, and now F9, I have two lists, two teams, team DC and team Marvel.